Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Ralph Marston. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a proverb. A leopard cannot change its spots. A leopard cannot change its spots. The expression, a leopard cannot change its spots, is a proverb that speaks to the innate-ness of human character. A proverb is a short, pithy saying that expresses a traditionally held truth or piece of advice based on common sense or experience. A leopard cannot change its spots is a proverb. It is used to say that people cannot change their basic personalities and habits. One cannot change who they are. The inherent traits in a person remain as they are even if they actively seek to change them. A leopard cannot change its spots means that it is impossible for one to change their character even if they will try very hard. So, this proverb, a leopard cannot change its spots, means you cannot change your characters, innate characters, even if you tried very hard. Let's see the usage of the proverb in sentence. Veera and Balu are talking. Veera, do you think Ram will ever stop lying to me? Balu, I doubt it. After all, a leopard cannot change its spots. It means Ram's innate character, that is, he always lies, cannot be changed. We cannot change Ram's character. Next, money is bound to fail the exam again. A leopard cannot change its spots. Money is failed in exams, so some practice given for money in order to make him pass the exam. Even though Money tried very hard to pass the exam, he is not able to because a leopard cannot change its spots. Next conversation is between a sister and a brother. Sister, I am thinking of changing my major so that I can become a social worker. Brother, why? That sounds like the worst job ever. Sister, no, it's a great job. I want to help people and I want to make a positive change in the world. Brother, but a leopard can't change its spots. If a person is messed up, you won't be able to help them. It means if a person has bad characters, we cannot change that person's character. We cannot change the inborn character. And the proverb, a leopard cannot change its spots, it is normally used to suggest that people who have done bad things will always be bad people. No one can change the person's character. No one can change inborn qualities. So, a leopard cannot change its spots means we cannot change people's personalities and habits. In this video, we have discussed the proverb, a leopard cannot change its spots. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.